So in this video, I'm going to show you all how to connect your Coinbase wallet to OpenSea, or how to even create a new wallet and connect it to OpenSea. In this video mainly, I'm going to focus on Coinbase wallet. So what we want to do is first we want to go to OpenSea and open it, and then go to Coinbase wallet. And once you go to Coinbase wallet, you need to download an extension. So press on get started, and then just click right here where it's written download Coinbase wallet. So I've already downloaded the extension here. So once you've downloaded the extension, you need to go to OpenSea and then go to profile here and then click on Coinbase wallet. So you'll get two options: use an existing wallet or create a new wallet. So if you all have an existing wallet already, just click on this option right here. But if you want to create a new wallet, just click on create new wallet and put a username, and then click on this and submit. So what you want to take care of here is every wallet has a 12-digit security code that you need to save right here. So you need to save it at a place where you will remember it. Otherwise, you're going to lose all the money that you have in your wallet. Because every time you log in, they ask for the security uh, words. Like there are 12 words here. So copy to clipboard or copy it in your notes anywhere. So I'm going to just copy it and then click on I understand and continue. So what they want you to do right here is select the first word of the 12 digits of the 12 words and the last one. So my first one is this and my last one is this. You're not supposed to share this with anyone, because if this is there with someone, they can access your wallet. So I'm just going to blur it right here. But it doesn't matter actually, because this is a test wallet. So submit. And then you're going to set your password. So I've selected a password. I'm going to click on submit and then click on connect. So there you go. I just created my account and I've connected my wallet. So to upload an NFT, you don't need to do anything now. So if you want to know how to upload an NFT, how to launch a 10,000 NFT collection, how to create a 10,000 NFT collection, you can check out the description down below. I have covered all the videos, or how to create an NFT in Photoshop. All those videos are, I have covered all those videos. So go in the link down in the description down below and you will find all those videos. And if you liked the video, please do share the video. Check out my other videos if this was helpful, and please subscribe to the channel.